What up fam, your boy Big A here. Welcome to another Big Ace unboxing video. Today I got 3 packages and I'm very excited to show you what I got. So without further ado, let's get started with box number 1. I'm gonna open it from this side to protect my identity and the seller's identity. So let's see here. Remember to cut away from yourselves. Safety first, guys. So voila, let's get rid of this box and let's get rid of this bubble wrap. Boom. Check this out, guys. You got this cool Johnny Lightning Dragster USA. This is my very first Johnny Lightning Dragster piece. I'm very excited. Check this out, guys. It comes with a cool coin and everything, and I believe this goes up. This is a limited edition. Let's take a look. There's the back. Yeah, this is pretty vintage. It's pretty old, but here it is, guys. Take a look at the top there. Very cool. Let's move on to package number 2. Boom. That. And same deal, guys. Remember, safety first. So let's cut here, cut up that way, and up that way. Always keeping your fingers away from where you're cutting. So, boom. Check this out, guys. I already have this, but I bought this particular piece for a specific person. I'm sure he's gonna like it. And yes, this is the 2011 Dodge Charger RT Super Treasure Hunt. That the seller threw in the clamshell to keep it protected. Let's take a look. The previous owner kept it in pretty decent shape, which I appreciate. So take a look at this, guys. So again, guys, I already have this, but I'm gonna go ahead and pass this one on to someone in the community. Here's that. And now let's move on to this one here. Here's another Super Treasure Hunt. Let's take a closer look. Now this is my first Chrysler 300 in my collection. Mattel did not make very many of these. So very cool, guys. It comes in a lime green with a matte black chrome interior. I'm not very fond about the stamp. As you can see, it sits too high. It's still a pretty cool looking casting. And as you can see, it's got some pretty nice details on the headlights. The grille is well done. And then it's got the fog lights. Very nice. And then on top, it's got the moonroof or sunroof, and it's got some very nice details on the back. Check that out. It's got the taillights, and you can see the Chrysler Tampo badge. Very, very cool casting. Here are the Real Rider wheels, and this one has a plastic base. I know that some of the older castings come with a metal base, but yeah, this one is very cool, man. Like I said, guys, the only thing I don't like very much is the stance. Might have something to do because of the way it sits inside the blister, but very cool to have in the collection. So here is box number 3, and let's go ahead and crack this puppy open. There's that. I'm telling you guys, these precision knives might be small, but they are pretty sharp and they could really hurt you. Be very careful. So let's crack this thing open. Let's see what's in here. Let's get rid of this box. No bubble wrap, but at least the seller was nice enough to put them in a nice box. Alright guys, so let's get started. First one up is this awesome Dodge Charger SRT 8. This is a 2007 release. Take a look at this, guys. Very cool. I love the H5s in chrome. Black interior, comes in a dark orange, like the black hockey stripe back here. And take a look at the front. Mattel does not make cars like this anymore. Nothing beats these cool vintage looking castings, man. This one has the medium tint glass on the front, no side windows. The rear passenger windows are also medium tint, as well as the back. And it's got this cool little plastic spoiler. I don't know if the camera captures that or not, but there it is. No details on the back or the front, but overall, it's a very nice piece. I love the stance on this one. I wish Mattel would have done the same on this one. Next one up is this awesome Dodge Challenger drift car. This is from 2011. As I shared with you guys before, I'm gonna follow into our buddy Mustang Hunter's footsteps, but in my case, I'm gonna go after the Challengers and the Chargers. So take a look at this, guys. I'm telling you, Mattel does not make them like this anymore. I love the Dodge livery. This one comes in a dark reddish orange color. Man, take a look at the tampo work on the hood and on the top, guys. Love the 5-spoke wheels in black with a chrome lip. It's got some decent details on the front. You can see the grille. Very cool. Plastic base, plastic wheels. I love the black plastic spoiler. No details on the back, but overall it's an awesome piece. So here is this. Let me know what you guys think about that one. Next one up is this custom 2011 Camaro. This is also for 2011. Take a look at this, guys. This comes in a royal blue. It's got the number 6 on the doors. It looks like it has some sponsor logos. It's got the H5s in black with a white trim, black interior, no side windows. Ooh, take a look at this, guys. Love those racing stripes across the top. This is nice, man. I'm not a huge Camaro collector, but I mean, this one is awesome, man. No details on the back, but I do love that spoiler, man. This is sweet. All right, let's move on to the next one. Here we have the Dodge Charger SRT 8 with the police livery. This one also has the 5-spoke wheels with a chrome trim. It's got the Dodge tampo here on this quarter panel just above the fender. It's got blue windows. I wonder why Mattel did that, but anyways, it doesn't look bad. A black interior, no side windows. This thing is awesome, man. No details on the front. It is to be expected, being that it's a mainline. And let's take a look at the top, guys. I don't know if the camera captures that or not. It's got the number 010 and it's got the light bar tempo. So really quick, I want to point something out about these wheels. These wheels are pretty unusual. Mattel did not use these type of wheels on many castings, so that's a huge plus. Unfortunately, no details on the back or the front, but overall, it's a very, very nice piece. So highly recommended, guys, especially if you're a Mopar guy like myself. Last but not least, guys, we have another Dodge Challenger SRT 8. This is from 2010, and this one has the K&N livery. Take a look at this, guys. Very nice. This comes in the metallic black. I really like the wheel choice on this one. This one has the 5 spokes in black with the orange plated trim, orange windows, no side windows. And let's take a look at the front, guys. Man, this car is a beauty. Very nice details. Now this one does have nice details on the tail lights. Very cool. Gray base, plastic wheels. No details on the front, but it is to be expected, being that it's a mainline. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please give me a huge thumbs up. It really helps us. Also, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, share, and don't forget the notifications icon so that you don't miss out on any future content. With that, guys, you guys take care. God bless. Happy hunting. Deuces.